Third and final heat in Honda Cadet here at Whilton Mill CART CLUB today. Penultimate round of the season. Lights are green and away we go then for the start of this final heat. Very steady start again at the front of the field as the leaders go into turn 1 and 2 for the first time. I'll head up to Christmas corner. Static camera at the moment, and it's Jaydan GREGG, the number 7, who leads early on. He's been in really good form so far today and was in good form last weekend in the British Championships for the Honda Cadets final round of their season when they made the visit to Whilton Mill. So Jaydan GREGG leads early on. Looks like Lewis ISLIN is still up there in second place, and Jenson Graham there as well in third place in the number 20 cart. Keeping an eye on one of those drivers there, in fact Morgan Hill in the number 22 on the move already to keep the championship alive in terms of Honda Cadet. Very much is doing so at this stage of the season. Where is Spencer Broughlin in comparison? Spencer Broughlin is currently 18th place in this one, so he's got work to do to try and pull his way through the order. Jaydan GREGG leads from Lewis ISLIN, third place for Jenson Graham. Good fights going on further down the field. There's the number 53 of Oliver BOCOCK making a move past the 76 of Jacko and Drawbridge. Down into Ashby Corner, Ryutaro SAKAI distinctive pink helmet is making his way up through the order. He's got past Sonny MORTENSEN for 6th place. Harrison's in this race as well. Harrison's on the top one on this 24th place. Good progress into trouble earlier on the day. Remember, you can get in contact with us in the commentary box on Twitter is the best way today, at @double-MN. Let us know who you're supporting. There's the lead at Jaydan GREGG after 2 laps. 1.5 seconds is already his gap over Lewis ISLIN. A number of heat wins so far this season. Has been able to get to every single round of Whilton Mill's CART CLUB Championships for 2019. But he has hit pressure. British Championship scene as well this season. So one final. Okay, so you see a couple of performances with some of horses. Good last lap for Jacko and Drawbridge, fell 4 positions down to 13th. In lap 3, Jaydan GREGG 2.34 seconds clear now of Lewis ISLIN. Jenson Graham, Morgan Hill 3rd and 4th. And crucially, Morgan Hill now up the inside of Jenson Graham, going to 3rd place through Christmas corner. And this is becoming a very, very good day for Morgan Hill. Exactly what he needs to do in comparison. Spencer Broughlin is starting to creep up through the order. He's up to 13th now. But the worry for Broughlin will be that at the moment it's not looking like he's going to have a good grid position in the final that he would have wanted. Aston and Anthony Wren was going for a lead there down the inside of Washington Wilson for 17th place. The driver strong heat number 2. Sonny has started to come through the field. He's now into P22. Displaced Harrison's on as the top runner in the novice ranks. Morgan Hill has now closed right up to the rear bumper of Lewis ISLIN. He's challenging for 2nd place. There's a little look to the outside through increments. Will he dive down the inside into Ashby? No, he's just going to hold there for now. Maybe work with Lewis ISLIN, see what his pace is like. It's still a decent amount of this race to go, just under 3 minutes plus 1 lap. Jaydan GREGG's pace though is very, very good indeed. 2.95 seconds ahead, 54 flats last time around for Jaydan GREGG. Continuing to put in 3rd lap time. Ooh, really good that. Might have been possible to not come through setting for 1, so he was in 18th place. Outside of the top 20. Devon Nolan, though, has popped up to third place, has got past Morgan Hill, so that's good news for Spencer Bropham in the championship battle. Jaydan GREGG surely is going to win this race, but up the inside now, Devon Nolan, who has had good pace today, but not had the opportunity to show it. The number 12 was a little bit wide there. Lewis ISLIN. Did Devon Nolan get the move done on Lewis ISLIN as they went onto the back straight? We were very, very close there. Morgan Hill still in fourth, warning out for Devon Nolan, in fact, in number 54 for conduct out on circuit. Less than 90 seconds of this one to go. Jaydan GREGG comfortably out for 4.2 seconds in the lead. Morgan Hill has got through into third. In fact, it's all changed at the front. Devon Nolan now second. Morgan Hill third. Ryutaro SAKAI is at the fourth. Jenson has been pushed down to fifth. And Lewis ISLIN has fallen all the way down to sixth. So 4 positions on that last lap. As Morgan Hill now had a little look at Devon Nolan. Ryutaro SAKAI having a strong run here in this one. Looking to get a good grid position in that final, and that's what this race is all about for these drivers. Depending on how they've done in the first 2 heats, they'll know what a result in this one will approximately give them. Morgan Hill has a little look down the inside of Devon Nolan as they go into the boot with just over 30 seconds remaining. Leader crosses the line of the new fastest lap of the race so far. There'll be 2 more laps of this one. Jaydan GREGG leading now by 5 seconds over this trio of drivers. Devon Nolan, Morgan Hill and Ryutaro SAKAI. And Morgan Hill cuts the inside. Will he go for the move? No, he's not got the overlap. He's not got the speed into Christmas Corner that time around. Spencer Bropham championship leader still down in 13th in this one. And SAKAI goes down the inside of Hill. SAKAI making the move there for third place, and he's got it done. Really nice stuff there from Ryutaro SAKAI, who himself is in a battle for third place in the championship alongside Joe CHEEK. Joe CHEEK, in comparison, where is he at the moment? He's in 9th place. It's a decent run for CHEEK so far. He's not had it all his own way so far today, and 19th in race number 1. Candy Uren going for another move down the inside into Ozers again. On to the last lap then. Jaydan GREGG, as we mentioned, he's got this race won. He's had it won for a while now. 5.33 seconds out ahead. Devon Nolan second. Ryutaro SAKAI third. Morgan Hill, though, can he get back through? Oh, a little nudge there on the rear bumper of SAKAI as Jenson Graham's defending now from Lewis ISLIN, and Sonny Mortensen isn't that far behind as well there in the number 97 cart. As Aston McAndrew Uren, problem for him down at the final corner, and that will put yellow flags out for a significant part of the latter part of the lap. And up the inside, Morgan Hill and Ryutaro SAKAI side by side again. And there's a red flag, so the red flag has come out here, obviously for this incident on the last corner involving Aston McAndrew Uren, and that will give the win to Jaydan GREGG and set up a potentially very, very nice spot in the final grid for him. Once again, in terms of this championship, this Honda Cadet Club Championship, it's advantage Morgan Hill. Another good result for him. If that result stands, that will move him to